You got it? Keep reeling.
You can't get it.
You can get it. Hold it.
Reel it in.
No, you read it in. It's too... You read it in. I can't read it in. Keep reading. Good boy.
Big.
Is it big?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it is big. Keep holding it. Gently. Gently. Oh my God. That's a double. Gently. Gently. That's enough reeling. Stop reeling. Wait there. Wait there. Oh my God.
Big one.
It's a big one.
I can get it.
Let him tire out first. Lift him up a little bit more. You reel. You reel a little bit. That's it. Good boy. No more.
Yeah.
I've got Blaze. Blaze, a big one. Look. Oh my God. Don't let go of that rod. Wait. Wait. Keep an eye on it. That's right. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Hold it.
You hold it as well. It's a big fishy.
Yes, can get it.
No, you have to get it.
I'll hold the phone.
No, you can hold the rod. Reel it. Hold on. Good boy. It's a big one. Don't let go of the rod though. That's it. Good boy. You're doing really well.
Yes.
Leave it. It's a good boy. Reel a bit more. He's a double.
Yes.
Good boy.
Can
Good job for that barrier. Oh my God, he's big.
Yes.
He's 15. Ring it. Go on, reel it. Gently, gently. Yeah, he's a big one.
Yes, can you hold it?
Alright, Daddy, tie him out then. Wait a minute. Tired?
Can cook it.
No, we can't cook him. No, we've got to let this one go. Oh my God, he's a big one.
So can we see him?
Yeah. Right, come over this way then. Right, come here then.
I'm staying there.
No, Daddy got to catch him over here, look. Come this way.
That's big.
He's big, isn't he?